Homes with Heather at Keller Williams First Realty, and today I am joined with Candace Katz. Candace, tell us a little bit about who you are and what you specialize in.
Yeah, no, thanks for having me, Heather. I'm Candace Katz with Loan Depot. Today we wanted to touch on renovation loans, right?
Yeah. So I tend to have buyers that go into houses and sometimes they're not exactly what they want to be. You know, they walk in and they fall in love with maybe what the outside looks like, maybe the backyard, maybe it's the living room, and they might need an extra bedroom or, a dated kitchen. Well, tell me a little bit about what you can do.
Yeah, no, what I really love about the renovation loans is exactly what you're saying, Heather. You have a buyer that loves the home, neighborhood, school district. Maybe they need a mother-in-law extra room, or the basement needs to be finished out, new appliances. The renovation loan does just that. So as a buyer, you can come in and get a loan up to 110% of the future home value. So let's just say hypothetically a home of $500,000, you can actually loan up to $550,000. There's times to actually go above that as well. So that $50,000 can do so much to the kitchen, the master suite, things that are the deal breakers sometimes.
Right. Well, and tell me a little bit too, because doesn't it make better sense when the interest rates are so low to go ahead and do these renovation loans and maybe finish a basement? Would that be something that would be helpful?
Yeah, I think what a lot of home borrowers don't realize is when they get into the home, they say, oh yeah, I can open a Home Depot credit card and do the work myself. And what actually ends up happening is the job is incomplete, the home is now not really livable in, and they've maxed out all their credit limits. So to now defer to the renovation loan that we're speaking to, sometimes it can inadvertently affect the approval process. So it makes sense to come into a home, get your contractors lined up, and assess exactly what is it that you want to do. We get that approved, get everything fixed, and you move on in. So not much different than a purchase loan. So
that's amazing.
Yeah.
So Candace, tell us how we can get a hold of you if that's something that you're really interested in doing with a renovation loan. How can we get a hold of you?
Yeah, thank you. So the link below will take you to my Apply Now link, which will allow you to securely complete the application, upload any necessary documents that we would need, and we are nationwide, so if you are looking here in Colorado or anywhere else, we'll be able to take care of you.
Perfect. And remember, you guys, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, subscribe below to find out more about Longmont and surrounding areas, but also what it looks like to purchase a home, sell a home, or anything that you have any questions about in the real estate market. Thanks for watching.